Hey guys, today it's actually nighttime, but anyways, today I'm going to be showing you this, my homemade butterfly knife. It's a review, so I can't make it right now, because when I burnt myself with some hot glue. Um, wasn't bad. I was putting the hot glue on there with the gun, and when I was, and it wasn't even now when I made this. It was the first time I ever tried making one. But anyways, I know how to open it, but it keeps on getting jammed right here. Like, for some reason, and I'm trying my hardest. See, like, I can close it. I can open it. Close it. And I've just been pretending because if y'all know what Mortal Kombat is, Nightwolf, that character, with like, it just has holograms of, he just does something and he gets any weapon that he wants, like a bow, only Indian though. So I've been pretending that I was like his great grandson, and so I've just been pretending that I have one of these, and I will when I like usually from like playing a game like this. Just anyways, if I'm playing a certain game where I can beat anybody, I'll pick him. But yeah, um, I use popsicle sticks, hot glue, and I I I use popsicle sticks, hot glue, toothpicks, and scissors, knife. Try to put the holes because my pappy, my grandfather wasn't here, so I used the knife. Um, but um, hold on. Sorry. All that is on. It's a '90s show. I'm having a '90s themed birthday. Um, it's Ed from Good Burger. If anybody like that was born in the '80s or '90s, you would know about that because it's Ed from Good Burger. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Yeah. And anyways, let's get back to the knife. Also, watch all that in Key and Kill. Best shows ever. He loves orange soda. Kel loves orange soda. And I do. But, um, so yeah. Butterfly knife review. Um, pretty sturdy. I'll show you. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, my mom was asking me something. But yeah, butterfly knife. Um, I'll show you how to do the move. So you do this, you do this, and you flip it, and it'll show up like this. Sorry, mine's like this. Close it, you do this, you do this. Wait, it's open. You do this, this, and then this. And it's just shut. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, bye.